Hi all, this is Sampath. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to change the data in mass in SAP. Okay, let's get started. Enter the T code MASS, press enter key. Here I need to select the object type. Here I can change the master data and transaction data as well. Okay, just click here or press F4 key from your keyboard. Need to select the respective object type. Here I am going to change the material master, hence I am going to select the materials related object. Just double click. OK, now click on execute button, click on right mark. OK, so here we can change the data in three different ways. In the first way, we need to select the table and respective field. Okay, in the second way, we can import the data from the Excel sheet. In the third way, just copy the data from Excel. We can change the data in SAP. Okay, so first I am going to change the purchase group in material master. So I know very well purchase group in material master comes in MARC table. Okay, just select the table. Now I need to identify the field. Just click on the fields tab. Okay, so here we have the lot of fields. Okay, so here I can get the find option. Through this find option I can easily identify the my field. Okay, enter the table MARC hyphen EKGRP. Okay, click on right mark. Yeah, system successfully identify the my field. Okay, which I want to change. Okay, select the purchase group. Now click on execute button, click on right mark. Okay, so here click on right arrow. I already copied the data from the Excel sheet. Just I am clicking on the upload data from clipboard. Okay, click on right mark to check the data whether entered data is correct or not. Okay, it is correct. Okay, now click on execute button, enter the key field plant. Now click on execute button. Okay, click on display all record push button. Okay, so here I want to change the purchase group of all material 101 to 102. Okay, just enter the data directly here or select from drop down list. Just press F4 key. We have these many purchase groups. I am going to select 102. Okay, now click on mass change. Perform mass changes option. Yes, when I click on the perform mass change options, here 101 replaced to 102. Now click on save button. Click on right mark. It is taking little bit time to change the data. Yes, all the 1575 data changed successfully. Now we can check the data in MM60 transaction. Okay, enter /o MM60, press enter key. Click here, click on upload data from clipboard, click on right mark, click on execute. Now click on execute option. Yeah, so here my purchase group is successfully changed. In the second method, we can change the data by using the import data from file option. Okay, first select the respective table. Okay, now click on import data from file. Okay, now click on right mark, select the file, click on open. Yeah, so here if you want to change the data format, you can change. Okay, here we have the two options, one without header line and with header line. In my file consists header line, that's why I selected header line. Okay, now click on execute button, click on allow, close the Excel sheet. So before closing, just see my Excel sheet consists header line. Okay, now close this Excel sheet. Okay, now we need to assign the respective fields. Click here, assign material, click here, assign plant, click here, assign purchase group. Okay, so once complete the all the assignment, just click on execute button. So very importantly here in the Excel file, we should mention all the key fields. In the MARC table, these two columns are the key fields. Okay, that's why in Excel sheet I mentioned these two columns. One is material, another one is plant. Okay, now click on execute button. Yeah, so now click on save option. Click on right mark. It takes little bit time. Yeah, so now it's successfully changed the all the 1575 entries. Okay, now we can check it in mm60 slash n mm60. Press enter key, just click on right arrow, click on upload data from clipboard, click on execute, click on execute button. Here just observe the purchase group. Yeah, my purchase group is successfully changed. In the third option, we can see the import data from clipboard. First, we need to copy the data from Excel sheet. Copy the data from Excel sheet including fields. Go to SAP screen, select the table, click on import data from clipboard option, click on right mark. Here, select the with header line radio button, click on execute button. Why I am selecting this radio button? Because in my Excel sheet I copied the data with field names. That's why I'm going to select this option. Click on execute. See here, it automatically assigned. Data is automatically assigned. Okay. Now select all. Click on execute option. Yeah. Now click on save. Click on right mark. It takes some time. So because we have 1575 entries. Yes, we completed all 1575 entries. We can check it in mm60. Click on clipboard option, upload from clipboard option, click on right mark, click on execute, click on execute. Yeah, here we successfully changed the purchase group by using all three methods. That's it today tutorial. Thank you.